Hey, it's Candy. Welcome back to my channel. Second time trying to do this video. My memory card decided it wanted to be a jerk. So we're gonna open my HomeChef box. So you can see I've already opened the top. The recipes that I got for the week are French onion chicken, pork chops with cauliflower grits, and pork egg roll in a bowl. Alright. So here's some thyme. Here is pork egg roll in a bowl. All the ingredients you're going to need. Minus, okay, so let's look at the recipe card. So things you will need are olive oil, salt, pepper, a mixing bowl, and a large nonstick pan. Not a problem. Okay, this one is the French onion chicken. This one is pork chops with cauliflower grits. I do want to know the cauliflower grits. They just say a medium pan and a medium pot, so I wondered if you needed like a food processor. Alright, and then in the bottom is the meats. There's the chicken and the pork chops, and it looks like the ground pork. So there we go. I'm not going to cook any of this tonight. I have some things to do, but I am going to keep this ice pack in case I ever need it. And I'm going to recycle the box. I will be cooking some of this weekend, so I will try to show you either when it's done or while I'm doing it. We'll see. So far the packaging is good. It came when they said it would. No problem there, so looking on the bright side. Alright guys, I'm ready to start my first recipe. It's like 11 o'clock on Saturday morning. I'm in my pajamas still, and I don't care. So, I've got everything set out. I've got the recipe book here. I forgot to show you guys, they sent, hold on. They sent this binder. So that's really nice. So I can set the recipe there. There's all the ingredients that I'll need. So my first step is to preheat the oven to 450. Done. Thoroughly rinse produce and pat dry. I'm going to do that with this chicken because there's a lot of juice in here. I'm going to grab some paper towels. I'm going to pat the chicken dry because that's what the instructions said. I'm going to set that aside. So the first ingredient, or first prep, is to half the onion and slice the onion into thin strips. So they send you a whole onion. I'm going to half it. I'm going to cut the bulb off. Peel it. Not a huge onion fan, but we're going to give this a try. Alright, so we've cut up the onions. I'm crying just a little bit. I've put them in a pan with a little bit of oil. We're going to caramelize them. Okay, so you guys saw me caramelize the onions, add the thyme and the sherry wine in to caramelize them, and then I seared off my chicken breasts, put them in the oven. They've been cooking for about 20 minutes. They're cooked all the way through. So here's the next step. This is hot, so I don't want to touch it. I don't want to be that girl. Okay, that's cooled off. So you take your caramelized onions and divide them between the two chicken breasts. They cooked at 450 for that long, just so you know. This seems like a recipe you could easily create on your own. So then, we're going to take the slices of Swiss cheese that they sent. Put those on top, and pop this back in the oven to melt. So the salad is simply this arugula that they sent. The tomatoes that I halved. And then this sherry vinegar. Tablespoon of olive oil. And salt and pepper. Where's my good salt? There it is. I love pink Himalayan sea salt for stuff like this. I'm going to toss it. I think I could do this more effectively with my hands, so whatever. There's my plate. I'm going to do half the salad, get some of these tomatoes. Take one of these chicken breasts. There we go. There's our final plate. It's beautiful. That was fairly easy. I feel like these are ingredients that I could get on my own and do this myself. I wouldn't have to necessarily get that from them, but it's a lot more convenient from them. So I'm gonna eat this because I'm hungry. And I'm gonna take some pictures of it because it's gorgeous. And I will catch you guys on the next recipe. Okay, further review on the French onion chicken. Thumb up. 2 thumbs up if I wasn't holding the camera. It was really, really good and really filling. Like, I was like, oh, usually when you get these boxes, the portions are so small that, like, I'll probably end up eating both of them. And I didn't. Of course, that's my fat brain thinking, like, that's how I am. But, yeah, it was really filling. So it was the chicken breast with the onions on top and the Swiss cheese and then the salad, and it was so good. I will have the rest probably around 3 or 4 o'clock. I had plans today, but they got canceled, so I'm excited! Yay! Alright, here's my second recipe from HomeChef. This is a pork chop, cauliflower grits, and pan roasted tomatoes, I guess. I cooked this at 7 a.m. this morning. Took me about half an hour, and their estimate is 25 to 35 minutes, so... Oh, you know what? I didn't notice this. 25 to 35 minutes, cook within 6 days, easy, mild spice. 20 to 30 minutes, 5 days, easy, not spicy. 25 to 35 minutes, 5 days, intermediate, not spicy. Why didn't I look at that? I was freaking out about having this fresh pork in my fridge for too long, and I didn't look at that, so that's why I cooked it at 7 o'clock this morning. It smells delicious in here. There's garlic in those tomatoes, and I'm really excited to take this to work with me and eat it, and then eat it for dinner when I get home, because there's 2 servings. Again, the portions look really, really good. It's a, semi-healthy recipe. The grits are made out of cauliflower instead of, like, actual corn grits, so I'm excited. I'm excited to make the pork egg roll in a bowl. Like, that one sounded the best to me. And actually, the French onion chicken, I will probably make again. That was so, so, so good. So, I think I have one more box coming from them, because I like to give everything 2 chances. And then we'll switch to another service and try them out. This is just convenient and easy for me. I've only been eating twice a day anyway, so it's, I can have it for breakfast and for lunch. Today I'm gonna have it for dinner though, so. I probably eat dinner like 3 days a week. It's probably not the greatest, but I get so busy that I forget to eat. So, alright, I'm gonna head to work now, because it's 7:40 and I still need to put my face on. And I will see you guys in the next recipe. Alright guys, I'm finishing up my final recipe from my HomeChef box. And it's the pork egg roll in a bowl. So I'm getting ready to put that in the bowl. And I will show you guys that when I get it done. I'm going to put this out before... Hold on. I'm watching Lou this morning, and let's turn him down. I'm gonna put this out before I do my second box, so I want you guys to let me know what you want to see. Do you want to see me cook the entire recipe? Do you want to just see like highlights of the recipe? Do you just want to see the recipe? Do you just want to see the food in the bowl? Let me know. These recipes are fairly easy, but they're a little bit time consuming, so I don't want the videos to be too terribly long. So let me know what you guys want to see, and we will, figure it out as we go. Alright, here's the finished product of the pork egg roll in a bowl. Let me show you what it's supposed to look like. I'm pretty close. Pretty close. All in all, I really enjoyed this box. I really enjoyed the recipes. They were easy. They were, quick to put together. Well, they took about half hour, but there was time where I could, like that first recipe, if I wasn't showing you guys stuff, there was stuff that I could have done at the same time. Like the pork recipe, I did like 3 or 4 things at the same time. I've been cooking my whole life, so I can do things like that. If you're just starting, I don't suggest that. These are really great for people just starting out, I would say. Yeah, so I'm excited to get my next box, and we'll review that one as well. And then we'll move on to HelloFresh, which will start the week after that. So, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe.